Hello everybody, my name is Alex with Sigala Designs, and in today's video we're going to be installing another Z06 Z07 wing. In the previous video you guys saw us install a carbon fiber two-post. This wing is actually going to be painted carbon flash and fiberglass. It's going to be basically the same steps, so we won't go into detail with how to install it. We are basically just going to be showing you the process. And if you guys notice, this car does have vertical doors. In a future video that we will be uploading very soon, we're going to be doing a full install video on how we installed them. Now, if that is something you guys are interested in, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you guys don't miss out. In the video where we installed the two-post carbon fiber wing, you guys saw we were able to take it up to 126 miles an hour. Well, with this wing, we are going to be taking it up a few notches, and we are going to be heading to Mexico to complete the final tests. As you guys saw, we put the bracket through various durability tests and it held up perfectly fine. With this bracket, it is going to be no different, so we're going to go ahead, install everything on the car, and we'll check in with you guys once we are ready to get the bumper removed. Now, the majority of the process of removing the rear bumper will be time-lapsed, only because we've shown you in previous videos how to get the bumper removed and reinstalled on the car. So without further ado, let's go ahead, lift the car up, remove the wheels, and get to removing the rear bumper. Now that we went ahead, brought over the wing, here you guys can see what the carbon flash painted Z06, Z07 style wing looks like in a two-post. We also went ahead, brought over the bracket, and we are now ready to get it installed on the bumper. So let's get to it. And just like in the previous video where we installed the carbon version of this wing, we went ahead, got it installed with the bracket. The bumper is sandwiched in between the bracket and the wing, and it is now ready to be basically put back together. So let's go ahead, put back the tail lights along with the third brake light. So while I work on finishing up putting together the rear bumper, Adrian's gonna be over here advancing on removing this weather liner along with pulling back the carpeting so we can make the drilling hole right here. If you guys drill before loosening up the carpeting, you do risk going straight through the carpet, so please be aware of that. Make sure to loosen everything up before drilling anything. Now that both taillights are reinstalled along with the third brake light, there you guys can see all the bolts are reinstalled on the light. There you guys can see the one in the back are on, and along with the three up front. We already went ahead, removed this, got it loose. Okay, so first step, once again, make sure the template is in its groove, make sure it lines up. Go ahead, pull the carpeting back, and then basically just drill. Now that both holes are drilled, we are ready to reinstall the bumper and basically get everything all tightened up. So as you guys can see, we were able to reinstall the rear bumper. So now all that's left is to put all the T15 bolts on top back on. All this carpeting and stuff, we already went ahead and put it back together off camera, only because we've shown you in the video where we installed the carbon fiber two-post how to do all that. Now that the wing is fully installed on the car, For those that were curious to see what we would do to cover the holes, if you guys checked out our previous video where we installed both the 2-post and the 4-post Z06 wing, you guys would see that we came up with these covers that cover the holes perfectly and are paint matched exactly to the color of your C8. They're sleek, they're really almost unnoticeable unless you really want to look. So we're gonna go ahead and install these. It's just held on by double-sided tape, and then we will officially be done with the install.
Later that same evening.
And that is going to be the end of the video. We hope you guys enjoyed this install of the Carbon Flash Z06 Z07 2-post wing. If you guys are interested in purchasing your very own Z06 Z07 style wing in either 2-post or 4-post, we will have the link to take you directly to order in the description, along with, if you are interested in the vertical door kit, we will also have the link down in the description. We appreciate all the support you guys have given us on the videos, along with all the feedback you guys have said about this wing. Let us know, do you guys like the 2-post better or the 4-post? My name is Alex with Sigala Designs, and we'll see you in the next video.